Thank you. That was from our Drops of Jupiter album. It is so great to be here in Amsterdam, and every time we're here, I always try to speak a little Dutch. And every time we're here, I fuck it up. But I'm gonna try anyway because it's gotta be a lot of fun for you to listen to me destroy what you've created that's so beautiful. Here it goes. Hallo. Hoe gaat het met jullie vanavond? Dank jullie allemaal dat jullie gekomen zijn.
That's how you do that shit.
I'm teaching Dutch after the show. I only know that. Thanks so much for being here, everybody.